and bring the concert level energy every time.
Yeah. May pandesal.
Alam mo ba, it didn't feel like just another performance. It felt like we're watching a full concert right from our screens.
Yeah.
Yung vibe niya talaga, diba?
Party song.
Power, yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, tapos na. Ang bilis naman. All in all, I super love this performance. Like, I can't even die. Without a doubt, this deserves a perfect 10 out of 10. No complaints, just pure excellence. At ito pa sasabihin ko.
Hindi ka pa tapos?
Hindi pa. SB19.
Ikaw na mauna mag-ano.
Ito na, binibigay ko na kahinap eh. At ka. And, diba? Okay, SB19, nag-isip ako. Continues to raise the bar every single time. They never disappoint and they always leave us wanting more. Can't wait for the next one. Ako. Yeah, tapos na ako mag-ano.
Rating.
10 out of 10. No,
Siyempre kanina, hindi ko narinig eh.
okay, ano eh. Ikaw na, sige.
Yung kanina, I thought Joshua shirtless, pero hindi pala. Hindi sa umpisa yun. He was just blending it with the color of their stage background. Diba? Kasi pink yata yung combination ng mga suot nila. The stage was just the right size for them kasi you can see all of them. And Pablo sang first. Pablo on the other hand, light skirts. Yung sinabi mo kanina, with the medieval style. I'm not sure, pero yun ang nakikita ko. Then can harmonize with the low voice. Yung blend was beautiful, pakinggan sa tenga. Yung boses din ni Josh was full, perfect, not too much, not too little. Kapag si Ken din yung kumanta, it really gives you goosebumps. He's shy, but he's awesome on stage. And I could only see the dancers. Alam mo bakit? Their dancing was amazing. So sexy. Even Ken's dancing, it's incredible how effortless it is. Napakahusay talaga. He's truly talented. And si Estelle voice is incredibly powerful. Lagi naman powerful siyempre. Magaling siya eh. Then Pablo, his rap style so fast at malinis.
Yeah.
The five of them are so cool. And Josh, I was surprised by his own charm. Meron siyang different kind of charisma sa stage. You'll definitely fall for him. And saka, when you hear this, mapapasayaw ka talaga. And that's why the rating I'd give them from 1 to 10 is a 10.